So one of the things that we've always done is try to get the hairs to grow faster, to grow better, to grow fully. We don't want any hair that we transplant not to make it. That starts in the pre-op procedure when we select the patient. It continues into the operating room. We now use the latest solutions to store that hair between the time they come out of the scalp until they go back in. It's a special solution that we use that guarantees that their nutrients, that they stay cold, so they don't degrade. With that, we're seeing faster growth than normally we would before. I still tell my patients 4 months to start, 8 months for a little intermediate growth, and then a year for the final, but we're seeing more and more earlier growth. Like at 3 months, they already have what they would have at 4 and so forth. So technology keeps evolving. We always make sure that we have all the latest things available here because we want our patients to experience the best results possible.